Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I want to show you these little graphing dice and sheets. Okay, so these are for Over the Meadow. There are 3 different kinds of dice available, so I'll show you those. And the graphing sheets, there are lots of different templates for these as well. All right, so if you're wondering what you do with this, I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'll show you how you play it, and that might give you some ideas of different activities that you might like to try. What are some different ideas for what you can do with these? You can use the dice on its own and let the kids play with it. So you can give them different options for what to do when they land on I don't know, the pig. So they could say the name of the animal. They could say something from the story. So forgetting what the pig does, but where the pig's habitat is, for example. They could make the noise of the animal. They could, if you had pictures of the animal around the room, roll the dice, go and touch the animal, say what it is, say what they can see. They could, if they've done this already, roll the dice again and like count how many in their group, how many squares they have for that animal. Describe the animal. Spell if you're working on literacy skills with older learners. You know, they could just very basically, so if we've got the duck, say what colour it is, so it's yellow, and then find something else in the room that's yellow. With these graphing sheets, well, with the young ones, these examples I've got here are up to 10. I prefer to use just up to 5 with the youngest ones, otherwise it can kind of go on a little bit too long because they take a little bit longer with the colouring. I do it either individually or even in groups, so I might have different groups with just one of these, and they play in their groups, and they're kind of competing against different groups rather than against each other. But there's lots of things, and if you want some more suggestions, you can check that out on our website. You can see the link below. Okay, so yeah, enjoy crafting sheets.